Good evening, the people of Biafra. This evening, I want to educate those who feel, you know, to be educated, and also like create awareness to you people. Freedom, 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 freedom. It have never been easy. Freedom is not always see to fight for freedom and gain that freedom. It has not been easy. Excuse me. So I may not have enough time to spend with you this night, but I want you to learn something. I want you to learn something. Many people doesn't know that there are different people, different mindsets, and different way of fighting for freedom. You see our own case, you see Biafra case is different from the every other people case in the world. Biafra case is different. And when you hear the great prophet saying it's a last miracle, you thought he didn't know what he's saying, because humanly speaking, if you look at it, you will say it's not possible. That is why we are shocking the zoo. We are shocking them, and we will shock them the greatest shocking when December reach. Allah, him the Muslim. I keep saying this. For the fact that it never rain in your side does not mean that it's not going to rain. For the fact that it doesn't rain, you see, one thing about black man is that when something happens to other people, their mind will not be there, their consciousness will not be there. What you see them is talking is after that, it's not my relative, it's not me, it's not there, it's not happening here. Before you know, you have reached your domot. But if you were conscious, you'll be able to prepare ahead of time. I told you one thing last time I do a little broadcast, that the reason why we inform you things is ahead of time is for you to also prepare ahead of time, so that nothing will take you unaware, nothing will take you by surprise. Before then, you already know what to do. Now let me tell you this. When the politician, because the politician in your place are always the problem. Do you know what? They want to please the way Fulani. Let me bring it down step by step. I want you to learn something. Listen to that song for a few minutes before I explain something for you. Who killed them? Who killed them? 1917 is not far, but some of you have forgotten. When you speak the truth, you are evil. Simple. Truth is painful. When you speak truth in Nigeria, they will find you to kill. When you lie, they love you. And those are the things that do take people backward. Truth is the only civilization. If you love truth, that country will be civilized. That is the mistake we can never do. That is what they brought pastor. That we might be, say, let us leave judgment for God. Let's leave everything for God. Who are God? Who is God? You are you that I see, now you be my God. Me that you see, now me be your God. You don't know this? This evening, I don't want to dwell long. Ozuburu, you hear them? Let me confess. Many of you have forgotten what happened there. They entered there, clear so many people, killed. Did they face any judgment? Have you ever heard that any of those soldiers who entered that community, killed those people, have been sentenced to death or sentenced to prison? No. You heard when Timaya said, they don't kill them papa or their mama. Do you know where it happened? In Biafra. The whole community was wiped out. Have you ever heard that the person who were in charge of that operation have been sentenced to death or prison? There are something you people doesn't know. When it started little by little, the rain, I told you that erosion does not rush. Look at the flooding that is happening in Meduguri and other parts of the zoo. I told them, when I never see something. When I never see something. Now, little by little. The erosion started small, but they did not know that that is a spiritual work. We go smoke all of you, that your land will become total desert. Total desert. Then you know you have temper with the children of the Most High for a long time. We have given you warning. You know, when the prophet say, if you do not allow Biafra go, the zoo, this one where now they shout hungry. The zoo, from bottom, man, from top to bottom, you go feel them. Thank God say Davido knew it on time. He say, then they feel like even Davido go feel them and don't want to go far. Let's come back. What is happening in Igbo land? In Biafra land? What is happening in Biafra land is caused by Biafran politicians. I want to tell you this. Why are they doing what they are doing? Because of their own selfish interests. Nothing more. I want to educate those who want to be educated. This is the purpose of this program this night. I may not dwell long in this program. One, as Britain, they mount pressure on Fulani. Fulani is mounting pressure on your politicians, governors. Your governors are mounting pressure on those whom he appointed to be your political igwe. He's mounting pressure on them. We must deliver. We must deliver. And those who don't collect money, invite, there will be the one. Soldier cannot just come into your community by their power. Somebody must invite soldier. Just like Igwe Lilu have sold the whole of Lilu. Collect money from Soludo. Now bring soldier in the name of soldier came to eat New Yam Festival. Are you an Igbo man? That is our culture and tradition. Are soldier doing tradition? Now, mounting pressure on people to accept soldier. The Catholic church that have been going on, so say Anglican church to say, soldier don't go occupy the church. Soldier don't they waka on the people houses, break it. But one thing they do not understand is that they do not learn about us. See, I want to tell you the truth. Go and read history. I will always refer you to history. You don't know why the history was written down. It's for the purpose of learning. The most difficult war in the whole wide world is guerrilla warfare. I want the zoo to know this. Why they will keep dying. They can never get solution. Guerrilla warfare are one of the most difficult war that nobody have ever defeated those who fought guerrilla warfare. Go and read your history. Before you see them, they see you. You can't defeat them. Talk less on the area that we master very well. Now we own Biafra land. When we tell you that Biafra land is our territory, it is our territory. We are not afraid of how many you will come with. Now, one we go to pick you. One. I told you we are not in the hurry. We go to pick you one. One thing is sure, that every day, one of you must go down. You can never remain complete for a full day to pass that 1 or 2 or 10 no go down. It's impossible. In Biafra land, it cannot happen. It cannot happen. And let me tell you, no matter how many you are, as one they delete. Just go and carry water, full bucket, then carry spoon, begin to remove it one. It's just a matter of time. That bucket that was filled up with water will become empty. So don't let your multitude to deceive you. We will level you down. It's a promise. It doesn't really matter how long it's going to take us. That is for sure. But let me tell you, we know that freedom is not given, it's taken. We already know that for sure. We also know that for us to be free from you, we must fight our way through. We know that for sure. We also believe that for us to fight our way through, somebody must die. You will kill us, we will kill you. At the end, Biafra must come. We know it quite well, so it's not a new thing. But I will say this to you this night, that he that is down, fear no fall. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? Who they lose? Now you they lose. You borrow millions of naira, buy war material. How many are we destroy? That money could have saved you life to make you better Nigeria when Biafra go. You use that money, establish better Nigeria. But you wasted it. Whosoever that give you hope that you will win this war, they deceive you. The same way they deceive Ukraine. Look at Ukraine. Look at Russia. NATO came up and said, you can win. We will help you. We will support you. And now Ukraine are baking. After the lot of damages. That is the same thing that will happen to the zoo. After the lot of damages, they will sit down, as our PM they talk, they will sit down on the round table and discuss the exit of Biafra. By then, so many souls have been lost, so many things have been destroyed, so many lives. Foolishness. Foolishness. Then that thing that you're supposed to do earlier without nobody lost life. For your mind, go and read history. Guerrilla warfare. There is no forces have ever won, ever defeated those who embark on guerrilla warfare. Go and read history. Now, if other tribes that have embarked up on guerrilla warfare, they were not. Talk less of Igbo, Biafra that born with everything. Say, God. We are complete. Nothing missed from us. Think about us that are the next God. The next God. God make us complete. Without us, the war is gone. Think about us. Those soldiers that came to Lilu, how far now? It's a Lilu set una up. Eze Lilu set una up. Eze Lilu knew that we are not to be joked with. We are not those that you should be joking with. And Eze Lilu set you up. Set you people up. Look at your fellow brother don't go. Just like that. Just like that. And look at you that then send the governor child, where the governor child dey, where that Eze children dey, where that senator children dey, where that House of Rep children dey. You people that are soldier are useless. It is not every message you embark on. There are some messages you will never come back with your life. Just like your colleagues are. Everything is not about money. There are some money you can never live to eat. Some money you can never survive. You can never be alive to chop out. Don't you know that? That is the truth. Eze Lilu set you up. The same way he set the people, the good citizen of Biafra in Lilu up. The same way he set the soldier up. I don't want to go far. But you see this war. How far now? You understand why we were called the children of light. You will soon understand. We will smoke you like cigarettes. We will suck you like orange. All of you. So what politicians do now is that when they strike the deal, they collect the money. And then to hell with you. You know why? Because they are not staying in your community. They are not the one to face the heat. So far, so good. So many people collect casualty in Lilu because of the army that declare war in Lilu. So many people houses was broken. So many people children were kidnapped. Then see you opening, we see you selling, then go say, oh, now you they sell things, give them. Then go pack the one, then pack, burn your shop. Then break your house, see them, okay, now you be their friend. If they see your young girl, then say, now you they friend them. Then go rape them, kidnap them. Who caused it? Igwelilu. Did they care about you? No. And that was why we tell you, these people care nothing about you. When immediately you see them pass to your area, you know, say that area don't corrupt. Pack, carry few clothes to Ama, leave that house for now. Because he that live, he that remain alive will come back to possess his possession or building. But if you say, where we like go, you go die now, and then go put you for ground. That is the truth. We are not going to bow down an inch. We are not retrieving, and we will never surrender. And when we tell you that we were born to do this, you will believe us. Now the message is that those of you who this fire are not yet reach your area, get prepared. I will keep saying this to you. Heavy rain is gathering. You have already started raining. Oh. Ask people of Lilu what happened. How then they shoot? Waiting then they feel. How the ground they vibrate. That is war. It is not play. It is war. War is going on in Biafra land. War. Not joke. War. War between the Nigeria government and Biafra government. War is going on between two nations. War is going on. If you don't know what is war, war is going on. They kill people. People retaliate. People defend themselves from being killed by the terrorists. It is war. War to survive. War is going on in Biafra territory. Be wise. That is the only thing I want to tell you. Be wise. Don't think that having not reached your place or your village or your community or your street, that it will not happen. That is the truth. That is the truth. If you don't defend yourself, they kill you. If you speak truth, then kill you. If you keep quiet, then kill you. You better fight to survive. Find way to kill them also, so that you can survive. If you play gentle, then kill you. Do you understand me, sir? In Nigeria, if Biafra did not rise up to defend themselves and seek for their freedom, before 2026, the whole land of Biafra land should have been invaded by Fulani. Worship of their Igbo governors. But we say no. It won't happen. Not under our watch, it can never happen. That thing where you think say you know, we know also. Now blood they follow flow for your body. Oh. Blood follow flow for your body. Blood follow flow for your body. You know be robot. You be human being. Do you understand me? Killing is not only in your blood. It is not only you that know how to kill. Not be only you know how to hold gala. Not be only you sabi how to hold gala. You understand me, so? So when you they come, prepare your way come. You know say you dey come war, and two things involved in the war: life or death. And you know what you mean. Yes, we dey fear you. We dey fear you. Now our ground we do. That is it. That is it. No long talk. No long talk. So for those of you who are there, please be careful. I will advise you to leave Lilu for now. Keep telling your person that's supposed to come to Lilu to stay away from Lilu. Lilu is under serious war. Lilu is under serious war. But be assured that the victory belongs to the children of the Most High. We own ground. And after this show, everything that is happening, at the end of it, behold Biafra. It's not going to be far. It's not going to be far. So stay safe, stay focused, and get ready. Because every one of you must defend your life if you should survive. You know, we cannot just appear in everything at the same time. You must defend your life and hold your ground before we land, while we are coming. So that immediately we will put a helping hand. But one thing I am going to tell you with 100% sure, that the zoo will run away in the land of Biafra, by fire, by force. Good night, and God bless the good people of Biafra. I salute you all.